Are you ready for a bencher? Oh man, I ripped my pants.
Come here. Come here.
Hi.
Little butt wiggles. I just need shoes.
Good morning and welcome to Mr. Boo. I am Mr. Boo, and today I look like a normal human being because I'm not wearing clothes of the homeless. But Sierra and the pup are in tote, and also
Lay down.
no, you're blocking my view, kid. Also, the transmission is back there as well, and we are at Ecotech. It's over there. So we're gonna go say hi here in a minute, and then we're gonna give them the transmission, and then we're gonna get out of here. I was gonna film an intro on the drive down, but it was so ridiculously windy, I couldn't even hear, we could barely hear the radio. It was ridiculous. The original plan was to come down and just watch the whole process of the transmission rebuild, and I was super stoked for that. But because we're doing the big thing that you guys don't know about yet and we're in a time crunch, we just couldn't line our schedules up. No fault of either side, it just didn't happen. So we're not doing quite the full thing like we were hoping. Let's go say hi to him. A little Hawkeye there.
I just need my lunchbox in the car.
Okay, Mr. Boo,
Sir?
you want to just go drop it off by the dumpster?
Yeah.
Bay by the not literally. That's what it's funny we say that. We tell family.
Yeah, I've moved those by myself. I've moved these by myself. You guys don't want that.
The engines are doable. This I cannot at all.
Yeah, we were.
Oh,
He needs to go.
we doing stuff with this?
Oh.
Yeah, trash man's here.
Oh, of course. Okay, so we dropped it off. And when I first went in with the camera, he was busy talking with a customer. There was, looked like another customer waiting. So I was like, okay, he's too busy to talk right now. We'll talk next time I come pick it up. And then I went back in to just use the restroom real quick because my hands were black from pulling the transmission out, and he was free. And then we talked for probably like 10 minutes, and I was like, I wish I'd have just brought the camera. But oh well, we'll talk to him shortly. So until then, we need to finish getting the Subaru put back together. It's low boy special. Literally every time I open the garage and I see it, I'm like, oh my God, it's so fucking low. I love it. I love it so much. It's still got way, like I can fit a damn fist in here, nearly. And it needs to come out a bit more. I just need 18s. That's just 18s that are a little wider. Anywho, what is going on, guys? It's very snowy. Very inclement. Anyways, the transmission is done and we're gonna go pick it up now. But I'm running on one battery, so lucky for you, I'm not gonna talk much. So what you guys are actually about to see is the footage that Misha and his guys obtained for me with rebuilding the transmission. Unfortunately, it just didn't work out in the way that I could come down and film the process because of the time restriction that we have. So here's their footage.
I mean,
It's a decent gun for what it is.
it's also dead. It's been my car for 2 months.
Now I'm recording.
Are you?
And now it's recording. Yeah, me.
Is this Forester that you're building, that's your daily driver?
No, that's my
Okay.
toy.
That's what I thought. I'm
Right,
Like, hey,
no,
driving something
no,
make that
no.
kind of horsepower. You know, you don't like that.
Oh my god, no, that clutch is obnoxious in town. If I'm not 20 anymore.
You could have
So-
fooled me.
It's just
How old are you?
I'm 32.
My kid who just learned how to drive a stick this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been driving every day. He's just like, oh, blow my left leg. I'm like, because he's got a WRX. Like, this is nothing. This is a bone stock clutch that I put in your car.
Yeah.
And I'm 47. I've been driving a stick, you know how long? And I don't have any inflammation. He's like, okay, any night problem.
That's super
He did
funny.
the same thing. He's just like,
I'm
oh, it's so hard to do. Like, well, learn how to.
right.
You know, and then you'll be
Yeah.
fine.
I honestly hate that we're selling this one because this one
That's a good one. I know.
it's
Such a different drive.
it's
than-
great, and the 40AT handles the power really well.
Oh well, yeah. It doesn't care.
I've done Monroe shocks, quick struts all the way around. It's got great tires on it. I've done a bunch of suspension
What's your
bushings.
daily driver then?
A Toyota, little
Okay.
Toyota Corolla.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah,
You don't have to put anything into it. It just goes.
No, literally, just oil. Make sure it's got oil, and literally, I just get in and start it.
Oh, you got one?
Fuel pump controller?
Where's that from? Let's see. He knows.
What'd you like to know?
I mean,
You
Dill Hole Baggins.
you remember
Because that one's mine. I paid for that one.
Okay.
you remember all the fuel pump issues that I had with it. I ended up doing the double pumper.
Oh, did you?
I did.
You're
Yeah.
glutton for punishment.
I am. they actually gave me a decent little deal. I just haven't utilized it yet. But because I did the install video for them, and that was the double pumper was fun. I enjoyed it, and it's hooked up on the pressure trigger.
Oh,
yeah.
Hobbs?
So I have to hit 15 pounds of boost before the second pump kicks on.
What size are they?
450s. I don't really need.
No,
I don't. It's if I blow this motor, I'm not gonna put another 500 horsepower in. I'm gonna build her a little thicker.
Thicker?
Boy, she thick.
With 2 C's? Or how
2
many,
C's.
How many K's are we talking about?
Okay. Uptown funk you up.
Here's the important stuff.
Oh yeah, my fork.
Fork and the exhaust hanger.
I appreciate it. Do you have?
I do have all your broken parts.
Oh, do you?
So these usually wear here.
Oh, okay. Are those
And
plastic?
They are.
Wow.
And say like that one's gone.
Oh, wow.
This one's still kind of there.
Yeah.
Then this was missing in action as well.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I could see why that could be a problem. That's a lot of parts.
And then these have seen break, and you can use them the other way.
Yeah.
You can swap them around, because this one is where like the crack will start, and then
Yeah.
it's just gone, and then you have like dough gear, it just moves back and forth and doesn't do anything.
Uh-oh.
What do you think? Right. So like here's second, and you can see it's not quite pointy.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna
Oh, gosh.
round it off.
Yeah.
So everybody's like, oh, it's the synchro. Synchro usually wears in here,
Yeah.
and on the other side this one's actually got 3 pieces. But it's always this hub
Yeah.
and the gear itself.
Yeah.
You can see how it's nice and rounded. First isn't very happy either.
Yeah. The big teeth, do those look okay, or
Yeah, I mean,
were those? Yeah.
you know, it's not like I had them crack checked or anything. 'cause
Right,
they're,
right.
You know, it's dumpster food at this point.
Right, yeah. Yeah. You guys ever have like sound wars and one side's playing country and the other side is like,
Not so much country, but like, you know, listen to some 80s or some punk or something, but it actually
Yeah.
comes through the ceiling from the
Oh,
old
nice.
system that was actually here before us.
oh, that's great.
And then he's got a sound bar over there.
Yeah.
So like, you know, fourth really isn't the worst. Third, also not the happiest, but
Yeah. Yeah.
you know,
Definitely needed a nice refresh.
same deal. Fifth.
Well, I'm excited.
Sixth.
And you were the one that did most of it, right?
Ed did it, yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
Is there anything else fun in here? Yeah, so like, if you were to retain the same ratios, that could be used, and you know, that for reverse. Other than that, everything else is like dumpster food.
Damn. Well, I appreciate you putting in the labor. Not that you had an option on it, but
I mean, it's not that bad.
yeah, yeah. So the deed is done. The transmission is in the back. Now we just have to put it in. So from the sounds of it, several of the gears were very, very crunchy and weren't the absolute worst, but they definitely needed rebuilt. So I'm excited. He said basically the whole transmission except for like 5th and 6th drive gear has been replaced pretty much. So yeah, oh, we got a door open. So let's drive home. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get video updates, and I'll see you next time.